Civil authorities have issued civil emergency message for Suffolk. Caught approximately around 10:07 am. Eastern Daylight Time. An unknown individual with a green shirt and dark purple cats was seen complaining to people. According to authorities and witnesses, this individual said they have been killed for the majority of years now. Wait a minute, is this guy seriously alphabet law anyone for no reason? I don't know, but all residents are strongly advised not to approach him. If you have any information regarding this individual, call the Kansas City Police Department. If this individual approaches you, do not hesitate. If you approach this individual, move away in the calm ladder. Stay tuned for more information on this event. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. Local authorities have discovered that this individual's name is F. F is dark F, big eyes. The big teeth. It is the same person who yelled at people and attacked that kill people for no reason. Do not approach him and stay away from him. If OFB attack you, he approaches you, do not threaten. OFU B attack him, try to back away in the calm manner. The police will handle him. Stay tuned for more information on this event. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Suffolk County Sheriff's Office. More reports came in about people getting killed by F from alphabet lore for no reason. If F says FF, ignore him. In addition, F from alphabet lore was also reported to be killing people with his weapons as well as a F gun. All residents in the city of Oklahoma City are strongly advised not to approach him and stay away from him. Stay tuned to local media news outlets for more information. The following message is being transmitted at the requests of the Annapolis Police Department. F. Alphabet Law, an individual was responsible for killing people for no reason as reported in downtown Annapolis. A dangerous situation is taking place in the city Annapolis, Texas. F. Alphabet Law was riding a car and caused multiple car accidents in the downtown area and blaming people for no reason. Our residents are strongly advised not to approach him. It is a no of what his intentions are at this time. But our residents are strongly urged to remain indoors and let the Annapolis Police Service handle the situation. Stay tuned for more information on this event. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Alaska Police Department. F. from Alphabet Law has somehow gotten invasion. Believed that he used which is called Alphabet Law logic to make him more FS. As the result of that, he started to cause damage to buildings in the surrounding areas. All residents hearing this message is strongly advised to remain indoors and do not go outside or will ever attack you until it is declared safe. Alaska Police and Alaska State's Police will try and deal with the situation. Stay tuned to local media news and outlets on this event.
This is the emergency action notification. Requested by the White House. All units are to transmit the
alphabet law killing people. From F7, the 9 are having a battle between the young country bombers and the military forces. Also, 2 members of the young country bombers has been killed. They are 2,020 people, and Canada home mapping. The young country bombers and the military forces are trying to destroy all these alphabets law. However, in the United States, F7 has summoned a very powerful and fast Yoduman hurricane category 6 at once. The hurricane is category only 6, which is destroying the west coast of the United States, and the Yoduman F6, which is destroying the east coast of the United States. All residents are advised to seek shelter immediately. Bring forward water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a battery-powered radio and extra batteries. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.
Tes following message est transmitté à tes recastov tes canadiens gouvernement et tes une country bombe gouvernement. Qui nous atteste européen. Qui nous atteste. Tes une test à tir de attaque. Repère. Tes une test à tir de attaque. Unité alphabet or qui l'incope. From F7. 1 arbre un bac de tes une country bombe des anté military force. Also. Tvomandé. Oth tes une country bombe à bien tiré. Terre. 2023. En Canada au matin. T1 country dans des anti-military force. Trianto destroyed alphabet. T1 test date. F17. Assumondé à de Ricoberful en face qui nous demande les catégories à 6 à 11. Terrican catégorie à 11 si les chiffres destroyent TV scoast of T. Unité stat. Anteyodomi FC les chiffres destroyent TS coast of T unité stat. Al résident arabe viseto CHLT Indiati. Brinfo. Vaté. Clotin. Medical suppli. Affir steke à batterie couvre radio extra batterie. C'était une informeur information z outil dangereux situation.
Please stand by for the upcoming message by a new governor of Massachusetts.
Hello all of you. My name is F from Alphabet Lore. I am now a governor of Massachusetts and made this state independent from the United States. Here are the rules. 1. Obey me. 2. Get all of the answers right. 3. Salute me. If not, you will get the big time. 4. If you do ignore me, you will be attacked and I eat you. And that'll be all and more will come soon.